This video we're going to be discussing under our Maintenance tab our tax rates. Tax rates are user definable. In this case you'll see all these different tax rates, and those are strictly for people who have the Zip2Tax subscription that updates every month all the current tax rates for cities and states in the U.S. Now, if you don't have Zip2Tax, then something you'll have is like this: state sales tax. And in this particular instance, I have a Cuyahoga County sales tax here. And the non-taxable is set for non-tax. And you can add your own individual county taxes if you don't want to use the Zip2Tax. But if you're looking for this zip code in Arkansas, then you're going to see what the sales tax is for that county. Let's do 44140. And that's a zip code in Ohio. It's using Cuyahoga County sales tax and Ohio State sales tax combined together. For non-taxable, it's nothing. So this is where you create your individual tax setups, whether you use a third-party tax updater or you manually create your own.